Today we will talk about some special discoveries and achievements in the astronomy done in the year 2020. These include from getting signs of life on another planet for the first time to knowing about the rusting process happening in some places of the moon. So let's get started because you guys are watching The Terrestrial Tech. Despite the worldwide lockdown and a lot of restrictions, we did a lot of progress in space exploration in the year 2020. While some space missions had to be delayed, we also discovered some new things about the universe. Among them, first is that we found the traces of extraterrestrial life on a planet. This is Venus, and we have found traces of phosphine gas on its cloud, which is a colorless and a flammable gas. According to the study, phosphine could originate from an unknown photochemical or geochemical process on the Venus, or it could be a biological product from the presence of life. And since then, scientists are engaged in determining whether presence of phosphine on Venus is a result of a microbial life or something entirely else. Next comes rusting on Moon. The color of our moon is changing gradually, and the day might come when the whole moon turns red. We have come to know this from photographs taken by the Chandrayaan-1, and it clearly indicates that the polar region of moon is getting rusty. And most important thing is that the Earth is responsible for triggering the process of rusting because the necessary oxygen is getting transmitted by the magnetic field of Earth. After this, we detected the potential source of the WOW signal. In the year 1977, the Big Ear radio telescope caught the alien signal and traced it to the particular region in the universe, which later became famous as the WOW signal. And finally, after all these years, an astronomer used the 3D map of the universe created by the European Space Agency's Gaia Observatory, and it is present in the Sagittarius constellation, which is located 1800 light years away from us. Coming up next is to understand Mars better, one more mission got commenced, and its name is Perseverance. The aim of NASA's Perseverance mission is to perform drilling on the surface of Mars and find signatures of ancient microbial life. Along with this, there are also a number of upgraded instruments such as 23 high-definition cameras and a mini drone named Ingenuity is attached to it that will conduct a flight test on Mars to understand the thickness of atmosphere. Furthermore, after examining and collecting rock samples, we are going to bring it back to the Earth for the first time, and the European Space Agency is going to help NASA for this. Now at the very end comes fast radio burst. The fast radio bursts are such a mystery to us that all we knew about them is that it happens continuously in different places throughout the universe. And our radio telescopes have been detecting them for years now, coming from different regions in the universe. But we didn't know where they came from or what is out there which is creating them, because all the FRBs that we have detected so far came from other galaxies, and for the first time we detected an FRB which came from within our own Milky Way galaxy. And when we retraced its path, we found that a magnetar is creating them. And hence, astronomers are considering that magnetars could be the reason for all the FRBs that we see today in the universe. So these were the top 5 discoveries in the astronomy we did in the year 2020. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get latest update. See you guys in next video.